in Malibu, California. Weather's amazing, and in today's episode, we're featuring a brand new Bentley Flying Spur. Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited to have y'all back. I know it's been a long minute, but nonetheless, we're back. Whenever you guys don't hear from us or we're not as active, that means we're just cooking. And we've been cooking a lot of goods. You guys will start to see that slowly coming up, and you guys will start to see the episodes dropping. We apologize for making you guys wait a little bit, but we're back, and we're back with a monster. Bentley Flying Spur, I believe, is very, very underrated. I think it's one of the hottest sedans in the marketplace. We take the factory Flying Spur and we elevated that to a whole different platform. This particular car is featuring a Mansory aerodynamic kit all the way across the car. We have a exposed carbon fiber grille mask. It has two slotted vents with grills, basically for air guidance, and it's an exposed carbon fiber where we clear coated it in gloss carbon. An aggressive carbon fiber exposed hood with two vents, same thing, with aggressive styling with the carbon fiber. It takes the factory Bentley strip on the hood. Front bumper has a bunch of cool exposed carbon fiber goods on it. It has the left and right corners with vents as well to go with the rest of the design that Mansory has to offer. A lower carbon fiber front lip spoiler that has the Mansory logos on the corners. The car is aggressively lowered, as you guys can see. Stance is number one for us. It's on 22-inch Mansory forged wheels, slammed. Obviously, the interior buttons work from the factory where you can raise it if you wish. You can go to comfort mode, you can go to sport mode, and then to accompany all the carbon fiber that's happening on the front end, we have the Mansory rockers that have vents towards the back, and then carbon fiber exposed pieces that go right on the bottom of the rocker to extend it out and give it that aggressive look to be able to flow with the rest of it, obviously. To the back of the vehicle, we have a Mansory trunk wing, which we've painted because the client didn't want to expose too much carbon in the rear. So this, we painted color the car. It has the Mansory insignia that goes on the wing. Mansory push button in carbon fiber with chrome for the Bentley wings that go on the trunk. We took a new set of factory emblems, the W12s on the side and the Bentley logo on the trunk, painted that gloss. Mansory rear diffuser, which has exposed carbon fiber. It enhances it by coming out and looking more aggressive. And then the quad Mansory tips. But this isn't just tips. We also have a Mansory exhaust system on this car. The mid pipes change, the rear mufflers change, and gives the car a way more throatier, more aggressive sounding exhaust system. I think this car is done beautifully. Everything flows like super, super well. I haven't seen any other Flying Spurs out here other than wheels done to them or wrap or certain accents painted. This, to my knowledge, is the first in the US as a complete Mansory vehicle, and the client chose to go exposed carbon, which, you know, to some of you that might feel too aggressive looking, but we think it flows very well, and we gave him the option of later on, if he gets tired of the carbon fiber being exposed, we can naturally paint it, color the car, and just leave some accents in carbon for the future. But for right now, I think everything flows super, super well on the car. The carbon fiber looks great. What we do that's a little different from everyone else, Mansory product quality is amazing. Brabus product quality is amazing, to name a few of these tuners. But these parts have been clear coated and blocked 3 times. This is very important. I want you guys to know. All the exposed carbon fiber parts on the car have been blocked and cleared 3 times with a final clear on it for it to look this way and be able to expose it in carbon. We don't just put a clear coat on it and slap it on the car. Again, I keep telling you guys this fact, but it's so important because there's so much work that happens on the back end that a lot of you aren't aware of. All the parts that are exposed carbon have been clear coated 3 times, blocked and cleared, and then a final clear coat, then a polish before assembly. And then all the parts that have been painted that are Mansory, the little exposed carbon, little slits and little areas that we expose on the car, when you run your hands and your fingers around that area, you will not feel the difference between carbon and paint. These are the differences of how we do our installs and how well-rounded our paint department is to be able to pull it off where it looks literally like factory. Yo, we genuinely appreciate all the love and support. Thank you guys for stopping through, watching our episode. Like I said, we got a lot of heat coming for you guys. I know we were missing in action for a little bit, but again, whenever we're not posting or we don't got stuff happening, that means we're cooking, and we got a lot coming for you guys. I got a question for you guys though. So the next episode, would you guys like to see a Maybach sedan done in full Brabus, or would you guys like to see a B700 G63 that's done in full Brabus with new Brabus wheels? Or would you guys like to see both on one monstrous episode? So go down right now, comment, let me know what you guys think. Tell me what you guys would love to see. I'm waiting for your comments. Again, we appreciate you guys. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Like, share, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. We got a lot more in store for you guys.